Hello and welcome to this Photoshop concept video. My name is Kimby with the Software Training Lab. In this video, I will be going over how to use the crop tool in Photoshop. The crop tool is used to remove portions of an image and it can be really useful for bringing in the focus of your picture. The crop tool also allows you to straighten your image. In the default workspace of Photoshop, the crop tool should be on your toolbar. If you don't see the tool on your toolbar, go to the Edit tab in your menu, scroll down to Toolbar, and drag the crop tool onto your list of tools. Then press Done. Once you have the crop tool on your list, Photoshop will save that setting and it will appear until you remove it. Now that the crop tool is on your toolbar, to select it, you can click on it with your mouse or use the hotkey C on your keyboard. Once the crop tool is selected, guides appear around the edges of your image and the control panel provides you with further options. In the control panel, the first option on the left allows you to specify the inches and PPI, or pixels per inch, that you want your image to have, and Photoshop will automatically bring in the guides to fit that criteria. Similarly, the next drop-down menu has more options for automatic cropping. Next to these options, you can see the ratio that the cropped image will have and adjust it as desired by inputting numbers. Near the middle of the control panel, you can select the straightening tool. This tool allows you to draw a line at the angle you want your image to be. Then you can adjust the angle to straighten your image. I will demonstrate the straightening tool with this example image that I have on the screen. It is really useful to help get your image into the proper position. If it isn't working exactly as you like, you can also hover over one of the thicker guides until your mouse becomes a curved arrow. This allows you to click and drag your image to different angles. One of the most important features of the crop tool is that it can be non-destructive. This is helpful because as you edit parts of your image, you won't be altering the original photo. To ensure that you are cropping non-destructively, uncheck the box next to Delete Cropped Pixels. If this is unchecked, you can crop your image and then adjust the guides as necessary, even after exiting the crop tool. Thank you for watching this concept video about the crop tool. If you are interested in learning more, I recommend going to our YouTube page. We have a lot more videos about Photoshop as well as other programs.